Hello everyone, my name is Harry and this is my review. So in today's video I'd like to share with you guys about safety features in this car. When I talk about safety features, I'm talking about all related stuffs or components which can keep you away from danger. So the first thing is the car itself. The car itself is a modern one and it has some sensors on in front. The first safety features is airbag. So what is airbag? Airbag is a modern safety technology which is meant to deploy and create like a cushion whereby it will reduce the maximum impact of the damage or the accident when it occurs. This car comes with only 2 airbags. Different cars, different models, they have different numbers of airbags, and for the modern version, but for the very old model versions of cars, they didn't have airbags, but these modern cars, they come equipped with airbags. And the efficiency of the airbag working mechanism or to deploy may vary from one car to another car, depending on the car technology or the car brand. So for this car, it has only 2 airbags. The first one is this one, which is compacted to the driver's steering wheel. And another one is on the left passenger side, which is just right here. So if there is a crash or there is huge impact, will deploy, and this one will deploy as well. All of these are meant to keep you safe. The second safety features on this car, I can say, is the window locking mechanism. Once you are inside the car, you can the first one, you can lock your car, which means you can lock the car and then nobody can access from the outside. That's the second safety features. But also the third safety features is this one. The car is equipped with this window locking mechanism, so you can lock the window so nobody can try to break in or to lower the window or without your preference. The fourth feature, which is so important, is for child protection. So child protection is sometimes we call it child lock, and let us have a look. And that's mostly is on the back. So child lock protection or child lock protector is just right here. So if you can see here, we have these little lobes here. So it means that if you can see here, when this lock is low, here is below, that's when it is being activated. And if you want to lock it, it says that when you lock the door won't open from inside. It means that a child cannot access this door from inside. Only any adult person can access this door from outside. So no matter you're a child or an adult, when this is activated, you cannot open it from the inside. That's how Toyota consider about making people safe. So right now, I will be outside and then I will lock this door. Because I'm outside, I can open this door, as you can see. But once I go inside of the car and then lock myself in, let us assume I'm a child. So if I try to open this one from inside, the door won't open. Though here it indicates that it's unlocked, but I cannot open because the child lock has been engaged. Those are few features you can consider about this car and to protect you, loved ones, and your children, to make sure all of you are safe. So that's a child lock. I just activated on a single door. I didn't activate it on this one. So from this side I can just exit as well because child lock is off at this point. And I can open again from outside and then deactivate. So to deactivate this one, you can just put this one up. That's how to switch off the child protection. So if you have small children and you're worried about that they will be playing on the back of the car, make sure you consider to put this one. But also, the other safety features we have in this car is the seat belts. So for the seat belts here, they give you some information. I'll put it closer. When fastening a child restraint system, fully extend the belt to put it in the lock mode. See owner's manual. So if you want to lock a child, please make sure you fully extend the belt so that it snaps in place and very easy. But also remember, if you have a small child, please consider about buying a baby seat. And a baby seat is made to lock on these locks here, on these latches, and then you can lock by using this safety belt. But there is a special way. If you have a baby chair, you don't have to face it in front, you have to face it on the back, so the face of the baby and yours will be going against. That's how maximum safety will be assured for the baby in the back of your car. And remember, all the time, no matter, make sure you are careful and you consider about make sure that the baby is safe all the time, no matter what safety measures you have taken. So that's a little bit about the safety features. And this car with the belt safety, it has about 5 belts, which is meant for 5 passengers. We have the left one on the very back there. We have this middle passenger, and this is just meant to wrap the belly, or it goes with the belly, and this made for center passenger. And we have this left one, and we have this lefty safety belt. If you want to pull this one, you have to pull little by little. Don't just pull fast. Like if you pull fast, the locking mechanism, the sensor will sense if there is danger, and it will prevent it from extending. So you have to pull it little by little up to your desired position, and then you make sure you apply it. So those are the few safety features we can see from the belts. But from the airbag, as I reviewed before, in front of this car there are crash sensors, which are written airbags, and those are special for sensing the vibration or the impact in case the car comes in contact with a certain huge object or crash, and then all of these airbags will pop up. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next one.
Like, comment, and subscribe.